Winter snow removal can be exhausting, especially if you're still using a manual shovel. That's why electric snow shovels are becoming so popular in 2026. They're lightweight, cordless, and powerful enough to clear driveways, sidewalks, and patios in minutes. Today, I'll be showing you the top 5 best electric snow shovels of 2026, covering performance, battery life, ease of use, and overall value, so you can choose the perfect one for your winter needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. POXURIO 2x40V Electric Cordless Snow Shovel. The POXURIO snow shovel runs on a dual 40V battery system and features a brushless motor. It offers a 13-inch clearing width, 6-inch snow depth, and can throw snow up to 25 feet. It comes with two 4.0 Ah batteries and a fast charger. This model is built for serious winter conditions. The brushless motor provides strong, consistent power, making it ideal for medium to heavy snowfall. It's especially effective for driveways and larger patios where manual shoveling would take too long. Pros: strong brushless motor, long battery life with dual batteries, excellent snow throwing distance, durable and weather-resistant build. Cons: slightly heavier than smaller models. If you want maximum power and reliability, the POXURIO is one of the best cordless electric snow shovels available in 2026. Number 2. 21V Cordless Snow Shovel 16-inch. This 21V cordless snow shovel features a 16-inch clearing width and includes two 3000 mAh rechargeable batteries. It's designed without wheels, keeping it lightweight and easy to maneuver. This shovel is perfect for quick cleanups after light to moderate snowfall. It's easy to lift, simple to operate, and great for sidewalks, steps, and patios. While it's not made for deep snow, it performs very well for everyday use. Pros: lightweight and easy to carry, wide 16-inch clearing path, dual batteries included, budget-friendly option. Cons: not suitable for heavy or wet snow, no wheels for extended use. A solid choice for homeowners who want a simple, affordable snow shovel for light winter conditions. Number 3. SNOJOE 24V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel. The SNOJOE 24V model features a 400-watt motor with a 13-inch clearing path and comes as a complete kit with a battery, charger, protective cover, and ice scraper. SNOJOE is known for reliability, and this shovel delivers consistent performance. It's compact, well-balanced, and perfect for clearing walkways and smaller driveways without fatigue. Pros: trusted SNOJOE brand, compact and easy to store, includes useful accessories, reliable motor performance. Cons: smaller clearing width for large driveways, battery runtime is limited for heavy snow. Great for homeowners who need a compact, reliable electric shovel for light to medium snowfall. Number 4. VOLTASK Cordless Snow Shovel with Wheels, 48 volts. This VOLTASK model runs on 48 volts with a 16-inch clearing width and 4 Ah brushless motor. It includes wheels, directional plate, LED lights, two 24V batteries, and a dual quick charger. This model is excellent for long driveways and heavier snow. The wheels and directional plate make it easy to maneuver, and the LED lights help in early morning or late evening snow removal. Pros: powerful 48V brushless motor, wheels and directional plate for easy handling, LED lights for visibility, dual batteries with fast charging. Cons: slightly heavier. If you want power, maneuverability, and convenience, VOLTASK is a top choice for serious snow removal. Number 5. 17-inch cordless snow shovel with wheels. This 12-pound lightweight shovel has a 9,000 mAh battery, 17-inch clearing width, and can throw snow 20 to 30 feet. It comes with wheels for easy handling. This is ideal for homeowners looking for a lightweight and efficient solution. The large clearing width and good throw distance make it great for patios, steps, and driveways, while still being easy to lift. Pros: lightweight at 12 pounds, large clearing width, decent throw distance, wheels for easy maneuvering. Cons: the battery may require recharging for larger areas, not suitable for very heavy snow. perfect for those who want a lightweight and easy-to-use snow shovel for everyday winter use. That's our list of the top 5 best electric snow shovels of 2026. Whether you need maximum power, lightweight convenience, or something in between, there's an option here for every homeowner. Check the links in the description if you want to grab any of these models today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and top 5 lists.